Take a seat, unwind and savor the experience of a 360-degree virtual tour of Niagara Falls. As we make our way down Falls Street, prepare to be amazed by the stunning architecture of the surrounding buildings. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls is home to several historic landmarks, including the Skylon Tower and the Rainbow Bridge. These iconic structures offer spectacular views of the waterfalls and are must-visit tourist attractions. Streets surrounding Niagara Falls are full of charming surprises. Explore Queen Victoria Park, home to over 500 varieties of plants and 40,000 seasonal bedding plants arranged in beautiful patterns. And of course, no trip to Niagara Falls would be complete without a visit to the waterfalls themselves. As we approach the falls, you'll be awestruck by their natural beauty and sheer power. Niagara Falls is located on the border of the United States and Canada, making it a popular tourist destination for both countries. Niagara Falls is made up of 3 separate waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, and they collectively drop over 57 meters. That's enough water to fill more than 3 million bathtubs. Drive down the scenic River Road and take in breathtaking views of the Niagara River, which connects 2 of the Great Lakes, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Keep an eye out for the colorful street art and murals that decorate the buildings and alleys of Niagara Falls. Each one is a unique expression of the city's vibrant personality.